I'm excited because this is a first for me. We're gonna be doing a vegan pot pie. I have done research on multiple different recipes, just looking online, and I'm not gonna look at a recipe while I'm making this. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I got the idea of what needs to happen, so let's see if it happens and how it tastes. Okay, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So we just have some garlic. This is the Chef's Blend mushrooms. This has creamy, whatever, white and shiitake mushrooms in it. High crust, I did check the ingredients. Mixed vegetables, it's just carrots, corn, green beans, and peas. Now, listen, hear me out on this one, y'all. They didn't have not one little stinking little funky potato. Now, as far as my chicken, I'm gonna use this Gardein. Now, this is the Mandarin chicken, crispy chicken. I'm not gonna use the Mandarin sauce, but I just feel like that this is actually a very good chicken substitute compared to some of the other brands. Vegetable broth, my almond milk, unsweet, just some regular all-purpose flour, sweet onion, and then I have this Chardonnay. Now, I don't know nothing about no damn Chardonnay. I don't know who I think I am, but apparently this is good for pot pie.
She a little dusty. Damn, hopefully she good. She a little dusty. That'll be didn't nobody want her. All right.
My seasonings. Oh, let me not leave out this one again. We're using grapeseed oil again, y'all. I have some black pepper, just 2 different types of Italian seasoning, my smoked paprika, salt, and some adobo. And then I also have some nutritional yeast.
It just sounds nasty.
Now, if you don't know about nutritional yeast, it kind of adds like a more so of a cheese flavor to foods. So I'm not going to use a lot, but I'm probably going to put some of this in here too. So first things first, I'm going to just go ahead and what I've been doing is breaking up my mushrooms, just washing them off and just breaking them up with my hands. We're going to do it quick. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just dice up my onion real quick too. So that's that. I just wanted to just pause for a second, you know, just to let my future husband know, you know, whoever he may be out there, look, babe, I understand if you're not vegan. You don't have to be a vegan, you know, you just got to cook your own shit. Goodbye. Okay, so I just finished chopping up my onions, just diced them up. This is probably about a half of a sweet onion, and then I just have, this is mostly the whole pack of mushrooms. There's a few left. And the potatoes, this is probably almost the whole can. I just chopped them up into little pieces. And that's that. We're gonna go ahead and get started making our food. I'm just trying so hard right now to just fight the urge to be very, very highly upset right now. So my whole video just wasn't, it was either not recording or when my low battery thing popped up, it messed my entire video up, so now it's gone. So I'm just gonna have to explain to you guys what I did. I'm sorry. I'm so sad, can you tell? I really am. So first what I did was I just poured in about a 1/4 cup of flour, so it was about this much, about this much. And then I just whisked that in. I just used a whisk to stir that in with my onions and my mushroom. And I just went ahead and I poured in my 2 cups of vegetable broth. And I used a whisk and I stirred that around as well, let it, you know, blend together, and I made sure there was no clumps of flour or anything in here. And once that was for the most part like mixed together and pretty nice and smooth, I went ahead and added my almond milk, and then I used an entire cup, 1 whole cup of almond milk.
Yeah, things went a little overboard. That's why that looks like that. So don't mind that, but it's thickening up. I've been letting this sit now for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm gonna let this thicken up for about maybe 10 minutes and then we'll go from there. But I'm just gonna keep stirring it continuously so that it doesn't like stick to the bottom of the pan or anything. And then once this is thick, we're gonna add in our vegetables. And I done forgot about my wine. And we are on very, very low heat. I'm probably actually gonna crank it up a notch here in a minute. All right, so we just gonna try this wine real quick before I pour it in the food. Oh! Woo! She's a kicker. We're gonna add her in. She's in. I haven't tasted this yet. I'm very curious to see how it tastes. Let's taste it actually before I put this wine in it. Here and now. Tastes like doo-doo. Ew. Ugh. That's awful. Yeah. I guess it doesn't help that I didn't season it, you know. So this is how much wine I got in this glass. This is what the Gardein, what it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finally put this thing in the oven. It's on 425. I'm gonna put it on probably 40 minutes to be honest. All right, and that's that. She's in there. So this is what it looks like after 40 minutes in the oven. I'm excited. I did like midway, I put butter on the whole entire thing, my vegan butter of course. The middle, the edges, so I'm so excited. But I'm gonna let this sit for like maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay? And then we're gonna cut it and see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, she right. Well, you guys definitely should try this out. If you do, let me know down below. This is actually very good. I'm about to go sit down and eat. I'm excited. Oh, and I guess I should say thank you for watching. I'm just ready to eat. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching though, for real, you guys. Like I said, let me know if you do try it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe. And let me know if you want me to make something.